it juicy too. It look like you do gymnastics. I wanna walk with you where you going. I wanna talk with you, what you thinking. Maybe I could be your Will Smith and you could be my Jada Pinkett. Yo, bath water, I would drink it. Wait, that's weird, I didn't mean it. I just wanna see you laugh, forget your past, and give you something with meaning. The way you looking in that sundress, it really wanna make me undress. You know, not gonna lie, I'm in a rough sex. Is that too much? Oh wait, you too? I kinda figured you would dig that. Where your kids at? You ain't got none. Yes, I don't get that. We too young to be getting trapped. I'm trying to travel the world. Now tell me, baby, is you with that? Cause I ain't got no plans today, and you ain't got no plans today. So let's do something. And I'm getting kinda hungry.
What's up,
too,
people?
So when we get some food, oh yeah, you coming. I like the way you move. I'm an outcast. I'm not ashamed to say it.
I didn't think I'd stream today, but we are here. We're working on the Chrome extension. Everything's going good. Hold on, I'm just opening up my stuff that I need. Alright, let me open this thing up. And let me change that.
So when I'm gone, I'ma need your pictures in my phone. Got me in my thoughts, can't wait till I get home. You ain't gotta worry, I swear I'm all alone. Look up on myself, nobody will know. In my zone when I'm out here.
So let's get started. How's everyone doing today? What's up? Alright, so where we were at, I honestly forget. Oh, yeah, I was busy yesterday, so I couldn't do. Hold on. You'll never say no. I just wanna keep that thing close. Send me a pic, I'ma judge it like I'm on a jury. It's about to be case closed. Alright, so what we were doing yesterday was we were doing this. And we were fixing the eyedropper tool. And I did a lot of fixes with the eyedropper tool. Such as like the up here and all. It lags a lot, but it's pretty accurate. I think I just have to change it a little bit. Like, see the dot? I don't know if you can see the dot on there, but it's pretty accurate. I just have to move it, I think, up a little bit. Up and to the right, in which I'll do that in another time. But like, look, if I want to capture this grass, we get the grass color. But if I want to do like closer, and say I want to get that reddish there, we could do that. And so then we could just do this. It doesn't actually change the thing though, so we're gonna fix that. And which we can fix that easily. But I'm not gonna fix it right now because that's the thing that we can do off camera. What we are going to fix, what we're gonna do is add the ghost layer thing. So let me see if I can get an icon for this. Wait, there was an icon that I just saw that was pretty good. This icon. So we're gonna add this icon here. I'm different, y'all common like the name Larry Smith. And my flow is nasty like a chick that got some hairy tits. You want a diss track? Go ahead, dare me, bitch. If this was 8 Mile, then you're looking like Clarence did. I smacked the mustache off like your hairy lip. Got a lot of problems, never solved it with my therapist. These drugs are all Alright, so we got the ghost icon. And the way we're gonna do this is that, like, each time you do a layer, you can see the layer behind it. So we're going to add the icon into our code here, and which we'll just add it in down here. So like we're adding it down here, so when you click on it,
it'll basically be enabled and disabled. And the way we're gonna do it, so like you can see the layers in front and behind it. And then we're gonna do a shape tool, which should be pretty easy. So what we're gonna do here is this. We're gonna have this, call it ghost, and then ghost, icon, ghost, ghost, icon. So we're gonna do that, and then we need to create a class for it. So just go to the CSS. Yeah, we could do this, and then we could do that, and then we're going to do. We're gonna add a button to it. So we need to create. I'm just gonna add this to application because it doesn't really. I wouldn't really say it matters. Maybe, I don't know. Hold on. No, let's just add it in script up here. So pen tool, eraser tool, text tool, selection tool, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna do ghost tool, and so that's our thing here. So we're gonna do that.
I think one thing that a lot of people
we're gonna take this, pretty much copy that.
Exactly
mode equals. We're not gonna have a mode for it. Oh yeah, we are. Mode isn't gonna be like that. We're gonna say select. So ghost mode on. So we're gonna say this does do that. We're gonna take this out here. So selected tool, where is that? Here. So we're gonna do the same thing here. So like that. So that way when we click on it, it adds it. But I also want it to do it so when you click on it again, it deselects it. So if I'm pretty sure you could do has class. jQuery has class. So I think I could do this. If this dot has class was mode on, we're gonna remove it. Else we're gonna add it. Like that. So that way it's an on and off thing. Another thing that we need to do is the layers. So when we do layers, the way we do our layers is kind of interesting. So we draw in here. If I do a new layer and I draw in here, say I want to do ghost mode, and the new layer, how would I do this? Say this. We're gonna change this here, down here, this block here, but I want to do it like so you can turn this off, but also be on ghost mode. So I think. Hold on. Let me try to test this again.
Oh, you're still recording?
There's something I'm trying to think. If I draw on here, I do this, and then I do a new layer. That is still there. So I think we want to change the opacity of this to be lighter. So let me see how that would work. So I think we could just change opacity 0.5. What's up, XLM Place? How you doing? Okay, so
yesterday I got a deal offer, I turned it down.
I'm the only one here. I guess so. Welcome aboard.
Money isn't
Let me see.
everything, I guess. Plus I got fans that won't settle for less than what I've been putting out. Struggles with my brothers, I love them, but I can't trust them. My fans is growing accustomed to seeing me doing something. The girl
So
that
you
I
could
was
get the
in love with
context
suddenly
of
become
the
nothing.
canvas
She
and you could
drinking
change the
until she throw up, she
opacity.
crying 'cause so I'm fucking down.
So we're gonna have to do that, I think.
I'm feeling off today.
Because if we change the opacity, then it might be better. So that way you can sort of follow along with what you're doing, rather than doing this all over again, like that. Because that way, I want it to be like a flip book, pretty much. Oh wait, did this? I never updated it. You can't hear me? It has to be your sound then, because my sound is working. Yeah, I'll turn my volume up, but it has to be your sound. I don't know. But, yeah. I never... Interesting. Does this just update automatically now? I never updated it. Close this. Cute doggies. Yeah, it's just the screen that I'm on. So I think what we have to do is this. If we add the class, we gotta get the context of all the canvases and then change the opacity for all of them. So we have to do... let me see. We have to loop through the canvases. Oh, you fixed it? That's good. We have to get through the layer. Oh, hold on. This I could remove. Let me remove some of this stuff here. Alright, so we have to get what would it... Hold on. I'm trying to see which code do we have. Yeah, we at 9K. We on the road to 10,000. What's up, No Name? How you doing? Yeah, we're on the road to 10,000. Hope I want to hit it before the end of the year. I think it's possible. But, you know, how am I? I'm doing good. How are you? I am doing good. I think so. This. So if we do count this, or this dot length, we get 2. So that tells us how many more people join. Hey, that's good. Hold on. Alright. I don't think that's nameless. There's no way. There's no way that's nameless. Let me see. Did this update the code? Yeah, wait. So I don't even have to... I don't have to update the code anymore? Bruh. What's up, Dan Nye? How you doing? Alright, so we know this is what we need. We need to count this. And when we add the ghost layer, we're gonna do this. We need to do 4, 5, 5, x, 0. Oh wait, we need to start with 1. X less than length x plus plus. If our length is 2, we might want to do less than or equal to, because we don't want our current one to be. So then we need to do var canvas equals wait, hold on. Previous canvas equals document dot get, and then we're gonna do can plus x, and then we need to do, we're gonna do var ctx equals canvas dot get context to d, and then what we need to do then is do ctx dot global alpha, and then we set it to like 0.2. So that should work. So that way when we do, why does it keep opening that screen? So let's try this. So when I draw, and then I do new layer, I draw. If I do ghost mode, did I get any errors? No. It didn't really get the, do I have to set it again or something? ctx.global alpha. Let me try this again. Hold on. But what's up, everyone? How y'all doing? Let me try to. For some reason, this didn't work. Maybe like because it's that. CTX canvas. Oh, I messed it up. What? Layer current. Oh wait, previous. I think I messed it up. I have to start it. I gotta fix this. So it's this instead. Keeps opening in that screen. So if I draw, and I do new line or new page, and I draw here. If I do ghost mode, it's supposed to like create, make that like transparent in a way. Oh, you're making the subcon go up and down. Hey, that's not very funny. Gonna break YouTube. Is it? Hold on. Maybe because are they? Canvas 0, 1, and 2. So 1 and 2 is a canvas, and so this code here, can x, so can 1. If I change this, we're no strangers to love. Hey, that's what I like to hear. So can 1. It didn't set it. How come it didn't? Let me check. contractual commitments. Alright. So we get previous canvas, CTX, global alpha, alpha. I spelled it correctly. Oh, it has to be like 0.2. Hey, can you not spam in the chat, please? Thank you. Alright. Alright. No spamming, please. Thank you. Alright, can 1. 2D. Oh, is it because it's already transparent? And I've already... Because we draw on it. Hold on. JavaScript make canvas. Has to be. Let me see something. It says here, works with shades but not with images. Works with images. Works with shapes. So this says if we do fill style, but you need the image to be loaded. Oh. So we gotta do something like this, it looks like. So we need to do... We get the canvas, we do CTX alpha, then we do CTX.draw image. That doesn't look like what I want to do. Yeah, image data.
I'm way too drunk right now. You way too drunk right now. I ain't gotta say much. Here's the Addy, you already know what's up right now.
Global composition destination out. Fill style. We have a... Hold on. But that's for filling. We clear rectangle here. Because it creates an empty canvas in which we want to let me try this. We get the canvas, it says something like this, so we do ctx.global composite operations equals destination out, and we're going to do ctx.fill style equals RGB A This is just for right now. I don't know if this is 5. Why does this not look right? Begin path ctx.fill rectangle 0 0 width height ctx and ctx dot global I don't know if this will be it though. I feel like hey, welcome back. How you doing? So I draw, I do a new layer, I draw, I do this. It's not making this lighter. What is it? Let me see. I'm just trying to make it so I fixed up some stuff with the eyedropper tool. I did a lot with fixing up here, like it had a limit thing. I just need to fix the thing a bit more. Like it's a bit off-centered. So I'm covering over the word big, but it's not working like right there. So it just needs to be moved up a little bit. Other than that, everything else is good. Because it's pretty good. But it also doesn't change color like here. So when I'm here, it changes the color here. But when I move to this, it doesn't change the color. So we can fix that easily. We just need to pass the color. Think you passed your math test? Hey, that's good. Congrats. That's good, that's good. I was gonna do a lot more last night on this, like off like the stream, but I had to do some other thing. I had to do some other thing. Hey dude, what's the dude sorry about? Hey, it's alright. I just don't like, especially when it's just like a meme thing, don't really spam. I'm working on a Chrome extension. How does this work here? This does exactly what I want it to do, but I want to see how it works. So we get all of the composite operation offer width, height, fade. So decrement alpha thing. Okay, so we're gonna do global alpha equals alpha. Global. Oh, okay. So we got this sort of backwards here. And good work. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. So this we need to change here. We want to do ctx dot global alpha. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we'll just do like that for now. 0.4. This says we want to do copy instead. And then we want to draw image. We want to draw image on the canvas. Our canvas will be the previous canvas. We're going to do 0, 0. Where's the image with? What do we want to create a new image apparently. In which we're going to need to do this for each one. Have you ever listened to dubstep? Yeah. I don't listen to it consistently, so I don't keep track with a lot of dubstep things, but I listen to it. I don't have a problem with it. Why does this have... Is it because it's a copy? The image width, image height. It does it twice for some reason. Global alpha. What? And then we want to take this out. We want to do source over. Where am I from? I'm from the US. Florida. This says... So if I draw, new layer, I draw. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. But it alpha equals decrement, function saved. Canvas. I don't get this, because this works with, wait, 0.4. They do 0.10. Everything correct here. Get previous canvas, global alpha copy. Morocco. Ooh, Morocco sounds fun. This doesn't. This didn't change. Got something for you, but not. It's breakout from. Hey, I'll take note of this. Break out. I'll check it out later. I don't, for this though, I don't understand why this alpha equals decrement, which alpha we've already changed. Global alpha, composite operation equals copy. We draw the image on the canvas, in which, did it do any, hold on. I feel like nothing happened here. Canvas 1. I don't think anything happened to it. Let me try changing maybe this to like... Yeah, nothing seems to happen. What's your studies? Computer science. I'm a programmer, developer, web dev. I do a lot. there's a lot here. Oh, there's a lot here. Look, global alpha CTX. So here's like all the elements that there's a filter we can add to it, which might be actually interesting to do. Font, source over, line width, line join round, line cap round, text to line start, text space. A lot of this is cool. So the filters we might do. Global alpha. Why does this not work though? Let me take this out. As far as I know, this doesn't matter. Let me try maybe. Hey, keep it up, man. Wish you got this. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. Apparently, there's an update with. I don't know. For some reason, this is connected to the application now. So whenever I save this, I don't even have to update it from the Chrome developer application, which is crazy. So if I do that, new layer, I do that, I hit this, nothing happens. I don't get any errors, but this, hold on. Is it cause this? Let me try. Let me try something like this. I just need it to be less. So if I draw here, 1 line, 2 lines, and nothing happens. I don't understand that, because if I get the CTX, CTX, it says global alpha is 0.5 right here, but is it? It doesn't look like it's lowered. Maybe it has to be, instead of that, let me try 0.05. I don't know what this is supposed to be here. Let's try this. It doesn't look like it's changed though. Opacity. You don't wanna know what it's like. You ain't never had these problems. You ain't never rose to the top. Like you hit rock bottom. You ain't never gained exposure but lost your composure. Went back home. I feel like, hold on. So CTX. Wait. CTX. This. And look, so we do see that it is 0.05. So I am changing it. Global alpha right here. I am changing it, but it isn't. Oh wait, let me try that. If I do it before, let me try doing it before. No, it didn't work. Let me see if it changed anything to do with the thing. So it is still 0.05. Global alpha. What? How does this work? because I'm doing. Oh, look, I can draw. Oh, I didn't even notice that. So it's drawing in that opacity, which is something else we need to do. But it's not what this was meant for. It was meant to take the current drawing. Let me check something. It's meant to take the current drawing and lower the opacity. When we duplicate, let me look at this real quick. When we duplicate, we this, and we set duplicate this layer. Alright, so here create element, fill rectangle, context 3. We do context. So we do fill rectangle, context 3, new canvas. New canvas is create element. This is for fill rectangle. So if we take it's probably not wise to do it the way I'm thinking, so I'm trying to think of another way. It's because in this way we're duplicating a layer, so it's not exactly the same way. But fill rectangle. Does fill rectangle? We can get selected. We can do this. Let me copy this in my thing. I'm gonna just put this right here real quick, because I think what we can do. I think what we can do here is we can do fill rectangle, but I think you can do fill rectangle but with an opacity onto it. So let me see. Let me see. JavaScript canvas fill rectangle. If we can add opacity to it, then let me see. I think it's just another. It says use global alpha, then you have to draw the fill rectangle. Clear rectangle just erases. It can't partially erase, so you'll have to use fill rectangle for other drawings. Okay, so this is what we can do. We are gonna create. Where is our tool? We're gonna take this. For each one, we're going to create a new image here. And then selected canvas will be previous canvas.
Dwelling on one night, rain pouring down your window. Mom said to stay home, you determined to get ghosts. Trying to see
So we're gonna do, instead of context 3, we'll just do CTX2. So we take this away. This is what we want here. Here, we want to take this away. I think we could keep it as source over. Don't need this. Let it go. And then new canvas. What is new canvas? canvas was set to this create element. So I think we could just set that to the previous canvas height. And I think this would work. I think this would work. But look at this. 1, 2. Did I get any errors? No. Let's see why. Canvas 1, source over. I think we could take this out. Let me see what else this is saying here. It draws the image. What was I looking at? I was thinking if we copy it, because we fill it, but it sets that there. If we do this, set it back to 1. If we did this, we're gonna add a slider to it though. I'm gonna add a gears icon here, so for other settings. I think, let me set it to 0.050. I think we need to do is, let me see, wait. If I clear the canvas, then it might work. This. Let's do this. We don't need this. We do this. We're gonna do ptx2 dot clear rectangle 0 0, and then this dot width dot height. If I do that, I think it should work. Let me do this. It did something. Let me see. What did it do? It cleared it, but it didn't draw it. So why did it do that? We do clear rectangle. Oh wait, there's something here that I didn't, there's something here that I was forgetting here. One of these, copy. If we copy it, how do we copy canvas though? I thought we already copied it though. It clears it, but it didn't paste it. Maybe I need to do this first. No, that there. And then canvas image 0 0. Hold on. Clear rectangle. That doesn't make sense. Do not use canvas width equals canvas width. What? You could do save. Wait, context restore. Wait a second. Let me check something here. Apparently, I can do this. I can do h2 dot save, and then I can do something like this. CTX2 dot restore. Alright, it didn't restore it. But, why? It didn't restore it. Let me see. Let me try this. So I do that, and then do this. So yeah, it doesn't, it only clears it. Hold on, let me try something here.
Everything I rock, they jock that I'm on to the next little nigga, you late. I just wanna die. Hit my squad, know that I get it. Nah, you ain't gotta wait in line. Just say who you with, that's futuristic, highly gifted, ultra lit. They know I did it for the city. Ain't nobody fucking with me like I'm Diddy. Bitches showing titties. If I dip, then they all even with me. Sheesh. Got another bottle in my hand now, never took hand down. Step out, watch stand out, take another shot. Man down, everybody lit like fire at a campground. They ain't wanna buck with the kid. Now they tryna chill with the man. Leave a message right at the top. I'll get back to you when I can.
How does it? How do you? But that creates it. How do you take a current element and save it? There's a whole, dude, my whole squad fucking lit. Ooh, I like that. I wonder what the dot save. That's one thing I don't understand. The dot save, what does it do?
We can take a trip, yeah. I ain't tryna hide your selfie on the island, I'ma post a pic. Ready with the shits, yeah. I ain't playing games. Come back, boom, bang, I'ma do my thing.
Yeah, so you can do save. If I do dot save, I can do CTX fill style green, fill rectangle. How does it know? What? Like, will this work? I feel like this. I don't know, we'll see. Let me see. The 1, 2. Nothing happened. So I think we could do this. Take this out. The way this works, you do that, you do this, and then make this point 50. Let me try this. It's already been an hour? What the hell? New. What? That didn't make sense. Do, do, do.
Give me the crown, somebody
Give me the crown. Ooh. Give me the crown. Somebody give me the crown. Ooh. Give me the crown.
Yeah, burn slow if you hate, you get flamed out. Everybody in the States know my name now. 200K just chilling in the PayPal. I'm about to blow, get away, not a safe ground. All you niggas steady
It
rapping
doesn't
with the
work.
same sound, fucking with the same bitches, kissing all the same mouths. I've been doing this since the playground. Just did a show in Detroit where they filmed the movie 8 Mile. I'm about to lose myself, I do myself. The truth is felt and you can tell. Shit, if I was you, I would shoot myself. Nah, if I was a
So
skill,
does this not work with
and recoup myself. Y'all niggas can't even tie your shoes yourself. Got a song worldwide on the radio. All independent, you signed and you got shell. Damn, but I still gotta prove myself. No, I'm the greatest, word about that. 50 million plays
yeah,
on
it
Facebook,
says
I know they felt
the
that.
following attributes,
Cause they know that I melt tracks.
the current values of the following attributes.
Where's the Dell at, squatter? WTF gang.
Gotta go see you later, man. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it.
Off this music and you niggas ain't even made $5. Okay, I'm tired of debating. Let me in the conversation. I've been running Arizona, boy. And I've been trying not to say it cause you don't deserve attention. But lately I'm getting so annoyed. The comments is hard to avoid. And anybody that want it can come and get destroyed. The funny thing is I'm living out in LA and went back home just for a week to see my other bitch in Illinois. I could take a break for a year, come back, and I know that it won't change. I'ma still be known around the globe, and you still gon' be a no name. You made a song, you was hoping that it might work. This time you open up for me, I hope you might work. Yo, album,
Wait a second.
it was gone day 2, that's what we call light work. Game on,
This
I don't think the lights work.
it's because
Like my shirt, shitting on my diet heavy and fiber. And don't nobody
it's because we are, since we're pasting. How did we create a clear canvas to begin with? This, draw this. Alright. Let me try. I think because this would be the issue, but we're pasting in the same image. It's always nice. Hey, thanks, I appreciate it.
I could do this with my eyes closed, dressed in all black like the Bible, and I'm aiming at my rivals. I be shooting like a rifle, and I just did the Tonight Show. Then I win it, sold out my show. When you eating, everybody wanna get a bite though.
Let me try it. The way restore works, I restore it first, and then I save the default state, which we saved the default state. We changed the global alpha. Hold on. This isn't working, but let me see if any other. Get fill. What?
Little nigga still big headed, Jimmy Neutron. You a bitch, RuPaul. Moving like a U-Haul. Cross the coast, Buffalo, all the way to Tucson. Tucson to New York, we can lose y'all. Bringing the type of shit to your city, get a flu shot. You win.
What is fill? Do I have to do? Well, I already did fill this rectangle. Fill. Oh wait, do I do? Hold on. one of the Italy's now mostly red zone. So, and where I live is no exception. Hey, that's not good. Hope everything gets better over there. That's not good. Yeah, hope everything gets better over there. That's not good. It's tough. My school, they think next semester is gonna be everything's gonna go back to normal. And I'm like, yeah, all right, we're gonna see about that. Let's see how long that lasts. So everything becomes back to normal for next year. I don't think so. Maybe one of these days, but certainly not now. This is not what I I hope so the vaccine would have just been stopped. That makes no sense. Why would they stop it? It makes no sense. Still don't know the reason. Yeah. Damn politics, that sucks. Maybe they ran out. I don't know. Hopefully it's like, hey, thanks. Hopefully it's something like they ran out and they need to get more, and not just some like, yeah, we don't want you to get it. Like, I mean, I would see that more as a positive thing. Like, yeah, we ran out. Obviously, they're gonna run out at some point, so they're just gonna need more. But I don't know. Well, hopefully it gets better over there. That's tough. I'm trying these examples, but I don't know. So, this doesn't make sense here. We save it. Do we want to... I don't get it. I don't get it. Do we need to clear rectangle? We need to clear the rectangle first, maybe. I don't know. The restore just brings back the old one. So, restore. What? So there's this. Where's the page? This page. This is the page that I'm trying to follow along to. But it just so like if they click on it, it goes. Like look, like if they click on it, it changes the thing. Oh, it's a random image each time. Oh, there. But I don't get this because I tried this and it didn't really work. And it's because what are they doing? Appears that the EMA stopped one of the 3 vaccines that's being distributed for precaution, just temporary. The problem is that it was the main vaccine that was being distributed. Yeah, that is an issue. I didn't know there's a third one. I only know that there's 2. I didn't know there's a third one. I took the first one. Hopefully there's no issues with it. I don't know if it's different in different countries, the vaccine. Obviously gonna be different, but I don't know. Yeah, hopefully it gets better though. That's tough. Must be annoying too. Especially since you said you were in a red zone or red area. It's like, things are getting worse. They aren't really helping to help that. They already didn't know that. It's the Astro. Yeah, I've never heard of that one. So it is different in every country then, or areas. 'Cause I haven't heard of that. I took the Pfizer vaccine. One Pfizer, Fitzler, I don't know. The one that they announced in like December. So let me try this again. Global alpha equals alpha, which we're gonna say 0.50. Global position operation equals copy. So we'll do CTX equals copy. So CTX.draw image. I'm gonna say this, and then 0.0. Image.width. Image.height. 0.0. Image.width. Image.height. We need to create a new image. Var image equals new image. Because we need it, because it needs to be for each one. And then previous, so this, draw image this. We don't need this. We don't need this. This we can set back to 1, it says at the end. But, and then we change it back to source over. But other than that, it doesn't. Oh, this is drawing an image. I think we're drawing a rectangle though. I think that's the difference. Think about this. We're drawing an image, but this is supposed to. So if I do something like this, and that's supposed to be CTX2. If I do CTX2, that clear rectangle. Let me check this.
I'm busy, I ain't even see him yet. Remember that moment you kissed me? Out of nowhere, I ain't even meet you yet. We used to kick it and we used to party. Sometimes we would lay up, not do a thing. Sometimes we fight about nothing. You tell me to leave, I came right back like boomerangs. Now we can't meet without getting stopped. And now I can't sleep cause I'm on the clock. And now you can't reach me all of the time. I'm at work, you think that I'm somewhere I'm not. And you always kind of been insecure.
What happened?
I always did more just so you were sure. Now I can't be there.
Did I forget a comma somewhere?
I followed my aspirations. That led to more obligations and less conversation and more invitations where my response always is sorry, can't make it. I know that you hate it with all these temptations you know that I'm faced with, but all I can say is I still feel the same. But when you see a chance, baby, you gotta take it. I know sometimes I can't be found. I'm lost in
Bro, you know, yeah, the third lockdown would be enormous problem. You just think about the riots that happened to the curfew, like making people lose jobs. Yeah. It's hard. Wait, can I sing? I don't know, man. I just hope it gets better for everyone. It should, I don't know. It'll eventually get better, but like, it's tough. This didn't change anything. Hope it doesn't happen again, gotta go, but the other time, that's my. Hey, good luck with that. Good luck with that. This should work. Let me look at this one. So if I do here. We should get a notification when it says it's working. So I do this. Do this. I do that. It does say working, and it runs twice, which shouldn't be the case, but okay. It doesn't seem to work though, because it canvas, it what's up, Ayana? Ayana Anea? How you doing? If it's less than 0.01, clear the page. Clear the rectangle. But we are drawing... We're filling the rectangle, that's the issue. So let me see, hold on, script. If we... How do we change it to the current drawing? Like, how do we take it and then change it? It doesn't affect globally. Wrapped around, you can save it in the sort of context. After it has been drawn. This is, I think, what I'm looking for. What's the images? Before you draw it, which we did.
I hear the envy when they talking to me. Now they said my life is easy, how hard can it be? Cause I keep a pretty bad one walking with me. That's why my ex is in their eyes like a
but we're not.
just tell that bitch no my
Let's put it in there.
Jewish lawyer kill you secretly, he worked for the Messiah. Homie, do not speak to me, I know you are the ops. So you filming me and running like an episode of Cops. So I cannot be helping you, elevate your altitude. She just wants your money, so she told you that she fell for you. Put her on a jet and fed her, I just gave her Delta food. Cause so many people hit that pussy, it got Yelp reviews. I don't care, told him I don't care. On a flight, I just made a couple thousand in the area. All my income passive, so me chillin' a career.
That's for the image though. How do we do... This is... This is for, let me see, JavaScript, Canvas, fill, I guess a fill style. does this answer make no sense? So this. If we do CTF6, we do JavaScript, Canvas, how to get to a color. That's for Finland. We can change the opacity of what we're drawing, but I want to take what we drew and change the opacity for it. But it doesn't seem to work for if it's different colors. Let me see, hold on. JavaScript, Canvas, get, fill. So we filled a rectangle, but we can do fill style, gradient or pattern. So fill style would be like blue. But how do we get like the current color though? How does it know what? There's fill style, gradient. We could, I guess, gradient. Shows the current path drawing. Fill text, draws fill text. Pixel manipulation, hold on. Turns an object that contains image data.
Back on my shit, back at the crib, you know? Out in the spit, crowning you on the means that you're my friend. End of the 10.
Says save, so restore returns previous saved path saved. So wait, do we even want to do restore? Hold on a second. We do. So that is fill style. What is? Because 0 to 1 is our transparency. CTX dot transfer delta. Let me see. If I don't put style for this, what is it? If I don't put blue on here, is it gonna be red? It is. If I don't put red, what's it gonna be? Black. So if I don't put let me try this. Hold on. So CTX2 dot fill rectangle, and I do 0 0. Previous canvas dot width. Previous canvas dot height. I believe that's how it works. I don't know. I don't think I need to do this. And I think I could do that. This is draw image. Draw image. So like this, the new layers. So what is this though? This 0 0 width and height. Width and height, and then I guess this. So crazy, so crazy, I'm so crazy, so crazy, I'm so crazy, so crazy. Do we make? I feel like we need to create 2 instances of this. I'm not exactly sure. Oh no, I clicked on something I didn't want to. Alright. So let me try this, but I don't think it's gonna work. It didn't work. Did I get any errors? No, I did not. This doesn't make sense. Let me close some of these tabs here. I can keep that one open. That one I can keep open. Crazy than a motherfucker. Crazy than a motherfucker. Crazy than a motherfucker. Alright, we closed half of these tabs, so we're good now. This is what I don't understand is, we do this, is it because of this fill rectangle that, let me try this. If I make this 100, that would mean there's an offset. There is no offset that I see. Let me try this in here maybe. Width and height. I believe that's how it goes though. Width and height, yeah, previous oh wait, that's that. Fill rectangle, canvas image. Canvas image is Selected canvas, selected layer. Oh, wait a second. Canvas image to data URL. Can I lower this? I want to see what attributes this has. Because I feel like that those attributes on that one are different. Let me check. Well, let me see here. Alright, so we draw. Selected canvas is not defined. What? Oh. Selected canvas is the element. Alright. Real grinding hard at the end of this year. I hope you're doing good out here. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it. I don't think that did anything. Let me check. It's got the image. The data URL. Let me see. JavaScript to data URL change opacity. Do. Let's see if I could change this. We get the image data. But how do I? That changes the image quality. I'm gonna change the image. You can use an object. But if it had done something, hold on. It didn't. Something here doesn't make sense. Duplicate this layer. Fill rectangle with the canvas image that we get from selected image here. Context 30. New canvas width height 0, 0. Context 3 here. We append canvas. This is what I don't understand is how do we filled a rectangle. Does that mean but fill rectangle? Let me take this out.
Yeah, I just wanna ride with my niggas in Arizona, top down in the winter. And anybody talking down, I forgive them. A peace sign in his
Console.log CTX2. I don't get it. I don't get it. But we shall get it. But maybe I'll switch to something else in a second. So I kind of want to try and do something else here. So I do this. Do this. I hit this. Console.log. Alright. One, two. Let me right click. I wonder if it's because of something. Is it something here? Cursor default. Cursor default. Interesting. But okay, it's whatever. So, but now if I do this, we have this here, in which our global alpha for canvas 2, our global alpha is 0.5. Which is here. But global alpha, and that is of CTX, and then our CTX fill is canvas image, previous canvas dot, and then if we do, I do this CTX.
Yeah, if you hating on me, I don't like you. It sucks that I can't come fight you. Cause most y'all niggas in high school talk loud but sweeter than a high tree. My flow been colder than ice cube. I do know I'm staying up like nice boobs. I evolved on them and I'm bright like bright true. Tycoon sweater boy hotter than Tycoon. Yeah, top of a minute now. I get the money in big amounts, give it out. I help the people that's in the crowd. All of my
clear rectangle.
I'm in the game, I ain't sitting down. People be trying to figure out how I be spitting the quickest. This nigga gon' rip it like I swear the ticket they giving out. Blow like a kneecap that's giving out. Travel the world and I rent it out. I bring my people to kick it out. Call that the trickle down. Whole team is winning. My chick is the thickest. I hit it the minute she stick it out. Been independent, been
I don't get it.
They listen when the futuristic out. I need to simmer down. Flow as cold as the winter. It feel like December brown. I'm in the desert just
These don't move at all here.
into my liver out. I want the pie, not a sliver. My mission
We clear rectangle and then we fill the rectangle.
compare me to none of these little niggas out. I ain't like nobody else. 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 I ain't like nobody else.
When we draw, hold on.
Yeah, all you new rappers sound the same. All you new rappers sound as lame. All you rappers waste your whole advance on a pendant, but me, I'm off the chain. All you rappers
Where's our
all you rappers ain't bout the cause. All you rappers talking guns and drugs, but you never been the one to get involved. All you rappers acting so depressed. All you rappers is a fucking mess. All you rappers
here?
ain't got no scrappers, little bird chest when you get undressed.
Our
All you rappers
composition is sourced over, or our composite operation is sourced over.
all you rappers are a fucking
So
all you rappers are a fucking hoax. All
All you rappers trying to sing your songs, I've been at your shows, you can't hit the notes. All you rappers showing off your cash, but the simple fact is you acting broke. Chasing paper, when you make the paper, then you understand it isn't worth your soul. All you rappers got the game twisted. I ain't never had the same vision. Know that I'm here to make a difference. I know I'm what the game missing. Couple rappers finally get it now. A couple rappers about to show you how. A couple rappers kinda make me proud, but they ain't me, cause I've been standing out, yo. I ain't like nobody else. I ain't like nobody else.
Where's my
I ain't like nobody else. 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 I ain't like
But this doesn't fill rectangle canvas image. CTX2 gets canvas. We get the first canvas. We're trying to change the opacity of it. We cleared a rectangle. Donated 69,420. Hey. Yeah, alright. Console log CTX2. But it doesn't seem to update.
You don't wanna know what it's like. You ain't never had
If I change this to
you ain't never rose to the top, but felt like you hit rock bottom. You ain't never gained exposure, but lost your composure. Went back home on the road for some closure. Talk to your girl, let her know that it's over, cause too many hoes run a go got chosen. You ain't never had these funds, lived this life, never had this fun, but this function.
but we fill rectangle.
Like a kid with a gun, used to sit there and bump. Got a tweet from his friend what he did after lunch.
Doesn't
Almost did mine, he was playing my song when it's all said and done. You ain't had the fam in your pocket. Had to be a man before I got this. Gave Uncle Sam out the profit. Sue for some shit you
new canvas is the canvas that we do. Fill rectangle. Does fill rectangle only work on canvas that isn't?
Are you still curious? Do you still want this position? Yo, you got it good. Why is you tripping? Yeah, shut the fuck up. Sit back and listen. You ain't never did it like this. You ain't never spit it like this. You ain't never get it like this. You was never
Where's that? Where's the? It's not this one. Where is that? This. It draws the image. If we change the composite to let me see what this is. Global. Here it is. Let's see what it has here. I don't exactly understand what.
Are you still curious? Do you still want this position? Yo, you got it good. Why is you tripping? Yeah, shut the fuck up. Sit back and listen. You ain't never did it like
Existing content is kept where it is. Overlap. Existing content, new content, copy. Oh, what is destination out overdue? So let me try this. So we need to change the composite, it looks like. Bruh. So first, instead of source over, maybe we need to do this. Take this out. Instead of source over, let me try copy. Do, 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 do. It doesn't do that. Let me try. gonna try this. I honestly don't know. No. If I took this out, I think it'll just erase it. You hear background noise, it's because they're being loud out there. No, that doesn't even erase it. What the hell? If I do this, I don't think I need this. Clears rectangle, right? It doesn't even clear it. What? Let me check this again. This doesn't make sense. CTX2. Four arguments required. Where? Alright, let's see this. So if I go here, X is not defined. Alright, that's fine. Let me just change this to 1. 4 arguments required, but only clear rectangle. Do I need to just do... Interesting. So I need to do 0, 0, and then this. So let me try this. Do 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 do. Alright, hopefully this works. I think this should work.
Looked at myself, had to fall back. Put the phone down, now don't call back.
It deletes it, but it didn't paste it. Which I think we need to do as this. It doesn't overlap destination. I think we need to change this to destination out. Let's take this out here. This I think we should put as this. Can't believe it's almost been 2 hours. I feel like I just went live. Feels so weird. Alright. Do I get any errors? No. It's definitely something here. So when we draw, it's source over. Let me make sure it's source over. Maybe. Because when we draw, what are we doing? We fill rectangle with this. So fill rectangle, current X and Y. Fill style, color selected. Okay. Maybe we need to do this. Begin path. We tried that. I feel like we need to do something like this, and then closed path. And then I don't know what this would be if this is the same thing, because if we clear it, then obviously nothing's there. So I think we need to go back to what we did for duplicating it. So this is for duplicate this layer. So the way we did this, we took this and we used that and for this. So let me try that. If I do this, let's try that. Because the paste over should be at 0.5 then. Nope, they still disappear. Why is that? We clear it and then... Oh. I think we gotta do it before we clear it, because if we do it afterwards, then it doesn't make sense. No, I still got that leak. Why? Why?
Cuts on my skin feel good in the wind, but they burn when I swim in the ocean. Scars on my back from the girl that I nabbed. She a freak, but she rubbed me with lotion. Tats on my chest in the fade when I rest in the sun, but they telling my story. Bruise on my hip when I slipped on a trip mid-sip halfway through a 40. Yeah, I've been searching for you. You've been riding for me. I got that thing you want. You got that thing I need. I just wanna make you scream. You just give me my fix. I feel you in my soul. You feel me on your lips. Cut my hair, lick my neck, hold me close, rip my flesh, tear my jeans, make me fresh, slap my face. I'm a mess. Bite my ear, give me chills. Pop this pill, give me thrills. Tell me straight, keep it real. Break my heart, but let me still.
Alright, what am I looking at here? So it still deleted it, but... Let me try something here. If I put the hyperpad, I don't know if that will work, but this is my X and Y, this is the width and height. If we cleared a rectangle, then that should mean we can create another rectangle, right? Just because we clear it doesn't mean... I don't get that. Canvas image. What is... Fill rectangle this. What is this when I do a new layer? Alright, so if I do a new layer, this gets window. So, what is this when I do this here? So I'll do console.log this. What would that be? Should just be the same thing. we are being honest, they should just be the same thing. Alright, let's, I didn't do, alright, hold on. Okay, so it still got it. So if I click this, it does this. So if this gets window, if I do it like that though, pen size isn't changing there. What? Okay, so it does do, if I do window, it does do it. So if I do this, window, let me try that. I feel like nothing happened. Window is taking place at this. So if we do this, we don't need to do that. No, we don't need to do this, but I don't. Let me try this. So if I take this, paste it into here, we take the clear out. Say I take this for 1, and it doesn't work. Dot width, dot height, and it still didn't work. If I do 0.1, it still doesn't work. Fill rectangle, source of maybe copy? No. Destination out. It still didn't work. Why does this not work? What are the other ones? Let me see. Destination in. It says overlay. I mean, maybe do overlay? Nah, it still doesn't. Oh, but that's because there's nothing there. Let me try this again. Destination out. Nope. It still didn't work. Let me try taking this out. So if we just shift it over, then maybe it might work. Nothing's getting moved over. We're not getting any errors. Maybe I don't even need to change this. But why does this not work here? This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. Hashtag I fuck your bitch. Hashtag and some Gucci flip flops. Hashtag fuck your bitch.
Hashtag this gon' make $1 million.
Hashtag game over. Hashtag brought a brand new Range Rover.
Hashtag game over. Hashtag sold enough copies to buy a Range Rover. Hashtag I'ma go on tour, short changeovers. Long direct flights across the world with no layovers. Hashtag I let your girl stay over. Hashtag impossible to stay sober. Rap game Beethoven. Stacking up my chips like I play poker. Hashtag people
Canvas 1, Canvas 2. Source over, global fail.
You should never doubt mine. Hashtag what's your purpose? Think I finally found mine. Go hard.
Source over.
The only time I downsize.
Only time I downsize. So if it's fill rectangle, when we draw,
Born center, half nigger with an ER. Traveling local, no H.
we fill rectangle current X and Y 2 to 2.
If she was alive, I swear to God, I moved my grandma in. Lost focus, trying to mend this broken heart.
Begin path.
On my phone in hopes it'll show my art. The older that we get, the more we grow apart. It was built on a lie, we came from a whole
I don't get
start.
this. What?
I'm not supposed to rap about my feelings, never. Supposed to make a lot of jokes and say some shit that's clever. And act like I'm balling and fucking
begin
bitches,
path,
man. Fake it till you
close
make it. It's
path.
gotta be the
What
worst
is
expression
that?
ever. I'd rather only portray the things that are real. Even if that shit does cost me a record deal. And you could say that I'm stupid or say I'm foolish, but I'm living off this music. I'll never know how your desk will feel. I'm just fighting off my demons. I'm fighting off my demons. I thank the fans for telling me I'm the man. I'm just glad I can finally give you something to believe in. And I'm fighting off my demons.
So we don't want to do that, but close path, fill rectangle. So wait, do we not? Is the first option optional? X and Y. Does that mean we don't need this?
If I do make it, there'll be nobody I know there. And I'm fighting off these tears, but I'm failing. Every time I feel like I'm better, I fucking relapse.
I swear to God, if this is the reason.
I used to think that
bad thing, but now I'm not even ashamed to be that. A good man who made mistakes just like the rest of us. Like
Bro,
look at the time that he invested
there's
in
no
us.
way.
We've had our differences, people change with the seasons. We fighting off all our demons and let you pick up what's left.
So we're gonna need to do.
I'm just fighting off my demons. Fighting off my demons. I'm fighting off my
No,
demons.
yeah. We're gonna need to do what we did before then.
I'm just glad I can finally give you something to believe in. And I'm fighting off my demons. Fighting off my demons. I'm fighting off my demons. Fighting off my demons. I wanna thank the fans for accepting who I am.
But I think it's because it's filling the whole thing. It fills the rectangle, but that fills the whole canvas. But how do you? So wait, that's fill. This is. Image data, CPX create image data. That's for pixel manipulation, which we might get into at some point. But that's for, this is for patterns, which we don't need. This is for draw image, but this is the sweet like moon. So instead of fill rectangle, I think we're gonna be doing fill image, not a draw image. And we're gonna do 0, 0. And we're basically just gonna do this twice. But then we need to get the image. Which is this right here. And which, yeah, we should do it here. Canvas image goes here. Don't know if we need to do this. We'll see. Sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. Let me see here. Alright, and then we do new layer here. So if I do this, what did it do? What? It drew. Wait, what?
Payments of $49,999. You too can have your very own futuristic.
So wait, if I go to here and I hit new layer and I hit this, where did it go? The first one. I hit new layer, so I draw this.
You got that thing I don't usually sing. It made me sing, don't it? Put a ring on it. Ring finger on your left hand. Throw 20 G's
Draw
on it.
image.
Low key, no, we out in the public eye. Never seen you with another
That
guy.
draws an
When I met
image.
you, was kinda
Should
shy.
have
See you
drawn.
later, maybe never
If
was
it was
some
an
other
image,
time.
it should have drawn an image over on a layer, so you could draw on it still.
Focus, I'm hoping you notice the way that I'm open. This moment is golden.
Like if I do this,
I'm frozen, you chosen the closest, it's rodents, it's smoking, and now you outspoken and showing emotions. You touch me, I touch you, and now we exploded.
I think it broke.
I wanna hear you scream like a scary movie. Feel the passion like you married to me. The sacred
Oh wait,
nobody else can do me. Like
failed to
don't worry about the paper, I'll make it
draw
right.
image provided CSS.
Little pillow talking. I'm the boss, girl, I'm still in office. If a nigga disrespects you, then I'm still in office. He's still at it, then I build
Or HTML image element. Alright. So it failed to do this because this is not an image. So let me see. So we gotta convert it to an image. We can do that. JavaScript, convert canvas into image or draw image. Because if we can draw the image, then it might work. Convert canvas to an image. Oh, we can do this. We have to do. And we say image.source. We could just do this. And then this would be for this. Do this. Do this. No way. And then if I do that, alright, it doesn't. Alright, so there's no. Oh my god, we're almost there. So get this, alright. So I think if we do this, if we remove it, we should do this. We add it. This has to be 1. And then I think that's good there. So hold on, let me try this. Because, like, get this. So if I draw this. I do a new layer. I draw right here. I do this. I undo it. It didn't do it. Why is that? Is there any errors? No. Why did it not do it? Oh, it's not in a for loop. That's why. And it doesn't know what X is, so that would be why. This has to be in there. So that should work then. So this should work now. So get this. So we draw, do a new layer. We draw, and we do this, undo it, and it becomes, it disappears. Why is that? So it goes there, Obviously, if I change here, the opacity is different. Oh, it's changing the draw opacity, so we should probably change that after we do this, so we set it back to 1. But oh, that might be why. So when we undo it, it's, I think, reducing it again, which is why it disappears. So let me try this. I believe that's why. That would make sense, but I'm not exactly sure. So look, I do this, new layer. Why is that? I feel like that is weird. Like this. So if I do this, I undo it, it still disappears. Why does it disappear? Do do do.
Your girl get full light skin from a band-aid. Nothing that you say sticks like Pam spray. Yeah, I'm sipping vodka with the champagne. Quit trying to block my shine, you are not a lampshade. I swear to God,
Why is this messing up?
buildings like that whole game rampage. Yeah, and I'm flyer than a damn plane. Your girl get pulled like a hamstring. I've been clowning, mixing drinks every night. I can down them lately. Every town is
This should, so it sets it, when we undo it, we remove the class. It should set it to 1. Let me do this. Hold on. I got the juice. I think I got the juice.
I usually don't dance, but tonight I think I got the
move.
I'm just doing my
Happy dance. I think do my happy dance. Do my happy dance. Oop. And I want to do that. Alright, I don't know why that messes up sometimes. But when I do this, I undo it. What happens? Global alpha is 1 throughout the whole thing. What is it doing here? Source over. I don't get it. What's it doing that's different here? We draw image of image here.
You can never bring me down. I ain't got time for the BS. Please don't ever bring that round. I think I got the juice.
I guess I can make this 2.
I usually don't dance, but tonight I think I got the moves.
Don't think it'd make a difference. We know this is 1, but just for the sake of it, I'll set it to 3 in case it doesn't understand what it's doing here.
Go, best friend, go back. The fuck happened to the beat?
The fuck happened to the beat? Alright, I think everything here is updated. Let's try this. Do 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 do.
It's an implosion. Can't control it. I've been waiting my whole life for this moment. Well respected. Oh, you're so connected. But I've been waiting my whole life for this moment. And now I'm
What? What?
staying at my mom's house. Last year I couldn't catch no break. This year now I'm paying for my mom's house. This year I got a crib in LA. Last year they ain't wanna listen to me. This year I'm all they play. Last year they told me I would fall off. This year I found my way. Yo, everybody been waiting on me. What's the latest from the greatest? That's in everybody conversation. Turn a hobby to an occupation. Stop
But that's
making
still,
niggas
wait,
stages all across the nation. Now I'm on the station. Things
still
change, but I
doesn't
stay
make
the
sense,
same.
dude.
Fame isn't worth your soul. I took my shot and then I took my spot.
I don't get it. But I think we got most of it here. So we're gonna do this. 1, 2. We set it there. So if we do this. Interesting. So it still disappears, but it doesn't draw the image. Why doesn't it draw the image? I don't know. But I'm gonna end the stream because I gotta go do some other things. I'm gonna try and figure this out and fix some of the other stuff tonight.